video. Oopsie. Anyway, I put me a D104 for a secondary mic that I've got plumbed into my Utopia over here. That's for my other radios, or if I want to use different my heat. If my amp gets to a certain temperature, based on its probe, it makes my red light come on until it cools down, then the fan cuts off, and we're good. Alright, let me turn some light off here. There we go. That's my new little hookup as far as, oh, you see my lighting system? But anyway, it's the audio there. Then all I gotta do is switch the jacks around and I can use it to pump into my audio. Right now I don't need it, I'm all driven. I do have another, hey, Kill Billy, 700 weed killer with a wave. Alright then, anyway, there we go. I run just a little bit of stuff today. We're only running the Texas Star and the Scorpion today. I've got nothing else fired up. Talked everywhere from California to New York to Florida. But that's my new little, well, it ain't new, it's something I do. I'm working on another one right there. I got a bunch of works in progress. I got my battery backup's all jacked up. It says fault right now because I've been running my fans and stuff. Alright, just a quick little update. There's my 3 power supplies. The two 12.4s run the Texas Star. The 12 runs the fans for the big tube blower. Alright, man. Just a little update. Peace. Never know what you'll hear on the bowl. Weed killer, we out.